Hi guys, I'm Maria. I'm the founder of Travelries, here with tip number 9 in our 30-day series, 30 tips for 30 days for travelers. And, if you haven't heard already, Travelries is on a mission to help more people travel long term. In my view, there's really not a ton of information out there for long-term travelers. There's so much for people going on vacation and just not a ton for people who want to do an adult gap year or a travel sabbatical. And we're on a mission to change that with our YouTube launch. So day number 9, our tip today is to avoid the pressure of gate checking a bag, which can sometimes come with a fee, by bringing a backpack when you travel long-term. This seems to be the eternal question for long-term travelers. Should you bring a backpack or a roller bag? My very, very firm opinion is that unless you have a back issue, you should bring a backpack. And this is one big reason why. So especially when you're on shorter flights, very, very often, I've experienced the gate agent goes around and they're looking for bags that they can check because the flight's overbooked or they're not going to have enough overhead space, whatever. I have never had an issue, knock on wood, where someone has looked at my backpack and said, you're going to need to gate check that. Instead, I watch the gate agents go around and systematically talk to every single person who has a roller bag instead. By the way, not the point of the tip today, but if you're traveling long term and you're going to beachy island locations, the ferry's going to drop you off in sand potentially, and lugging a roller bag through sand is not anybody's cup of tea. So for this and a million other reasons, backpack over roller bag for long-term travel. Hey guys, this is a new channel for Travelries. Help us out with a like and subscribe so you can help us teach more people about how to travel long-term really well. We're also on Instagram, on Threads, on Substack. We have a mailing list on our website, travelries.com. And if you have questions about your specific personal circumstances, you're interested in traveling long-term, but you don't know where to start, you can always set up a free consult with us. We might be able to help you plan your trip, budget it, figure out a savings plan, answer questions about safety or cultural guidance that are kind of burning in your mind. So feel free to reach out, and I will see you guys for tip number 10 tomorrow.